Hello, Pulper. Welcome to the About Pop channel here. It is BTS Jin earns praise for his wise attitude when voting. Neutral and elegant in the spotlight, Seoul, June 3, 2025. BTS Jin stole the spotlight again. This time not on stage, but in the voting booth. The worldwide handsome appeared elegant in his simplicity when casting his vote in the 21st South Korean presidential election held today. Seen at polling station No. 3 Hanamdong, located at the Jeonbu Vocational Training Center, Yongsa District, Seoul. Jin wore a simple gray hoodie with a hood that covered part of his face. This appearance immediately received praise from the public because it was considered a smart and neutral move amidst the sensitive political climate. Netizens warmly welcomed Jin's attitude, praising him for appearing without symbols or colors that could be associated with a particular political party. Wise as usual, Jin always knows how to be polite in important situations, wrote a fan on social media. This is a stark contrast to recent controversies, where celebrities such as Karina, Hong Jin-kyung, and Benzino have been criticized for wearing colors associated with certain political parties while exercising their right to vote. In a calm yet meaningful setting, Jin showed how a public figure can participate in the democratic process responsibly and elegantly, without drawing undue attention or creating controversy. Meanwhile, official voting today took place from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. local time at 14,295 locations across South Korea. The by-election is a crucial watershed in the country's political landscape, with voting hours extended by 2 hours compared to usual. Early voting was previously held on May 29 and 30. With his calm and thoughtful demeanor, BTS's Jin once again showed that he shines not only as a global artist, but also as an exemplary citizen. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
오시기 전에 다 하고 있어가지고. 네. 어떤가요? 진, 에코. 이거 오늘아 진짜 죽는 줄 알았어요.
Next, BTS Jimin, named #1 Best K-Pop Dancer of 2025. The god of dance who inspires the world, BTS Jimin, once again proved his dominance in the K-pop dance world by sweeping the top spot in 2 prestigious voting events at once, confirming his position as a global icon and the best male dancer of this generation. In the Male K-Pop Idol Dancer 2025 poll held by King Choice, the largest international K-pop voting site involving millions of fans from all over the world, Jimin won 271,398 votes by the close of voting on May 31, 2025. This fantastic number reflects the extraordinary support from global fans who recognize the strength, uniqueness, and beauty of his dancing. Not only that, on the same day, Jimin also took the top spot in the Best K-Pop Dancers 2025 event held by Shining Awards. He successfully garnered 506,072 votes, accounting for 63% of the total votes, making him the absolute winner among the top K-pop dancers. With this win, Jimin successfully defended his title as the Best K-pop Male Idol Dancer for 6 consecutive years at King Choice and 3 consecutive years at Shining Awards, a rare achievement that reflects his lasting influence and talent in the Korean and global entertainment industry. More than just a dancer, Jimin, the emotional stage artist, as the main dancer and main vocalist of BTS, Jimin has contributed greatly to shaping BTS's image as a group with world-class performances. Since their debut in 2013, Jimin has captivated the public and critics with his ability to perfectly execute complex and emotional choreography. Many of his performances are considered legendary moments in K-pop stage history. One of his iconic performances was his fan dance at the 2018 Melon Music Awards, MMA, which combined traditional Korean dance with a contemporary touch. The act not only amazed the audience, but also earned Jimin an honorary award from the Kim Baekbong Fan Dance Preservation Society, which is part of the intangible cultural property No. 3 of Pyonganamdo. This move solidified Jimin's influence as a cultural preserver and art innovator. Foreign media also gave praise. Glitter magazine from the United States wrote, "It seems that he created the dance by acting from the heart and pouring his eyes and expressions into art." Jimin's dance is not only movement, but also an emotional narrative that comes to life in every step. A true artist. From Busan prodigy to world dance god born with extraordinary talent, Jimin graduated from Busan Arts High School, where he was the top student in the modern dance department. There, he demonstrated both technical brilliance and a deep artistic understanding of various dance genres. From contemporary dance to hip-hop, ballet, and even traditional Korean dance, the combination of sophisticated technique, deep emotional expression, and high artistic sensitivity has led Jimin to be called a dance god by fans, art observers, and even fellow idols. He has become an inspiration to a new generation of dancers, from idols, dance students, to independent artists. Many say that watching Jimin dance is like watching a great artist paint with his body. Off stage, Jimin is also known for being humble and dedicated, continuing to practice and learn even after reaching the peak of fame. His unyielding spirit and love for the art of dance are living examples of how hard work and love for art can take someone to the top. Bright future after military service currently. Jimin is serving his mandatory military service in South Korea and is scheduled to complete his duties on November 11, 2025. Even though he is in the middle of his service, the spotlight on his achievements has never dimmed. Jimin's name continues to shine, proving that he is not just a seasonal idol, but a legendary figure who has left a deep mark on K-pop history. Jimin's return to the stage at the end of this year is highly anticipated. Many fans and art observers are looking forward to new works, whether in the form of music, stage performances, or cross-disciplinary artistic collaborations that illustrate Jimin's development as a mature artist. BTS's Jimin is not just a dancer, he is a living expression of art itself. With dedication, beautiful movements, and the power of emotion in every performance, he has written a new chapter in the history of K-pop dance, a chapter that will be remembered and inspired for years to come. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
에코라고 적힌 현수막을 점검하는 석진 씨. 그 모습은 마치 항해를 앞둔 선장을 보는 것 같다.